manufacturer of rough terrain forklifts. We needed to find a system that was going to satisfy our needs and ensure that the guys would not be exposed to any hazardous material. Well, we came from a canning factory that was built in the early 1900s, and the ceilings were very low. And when we first started, we were stick welding, and it was just a blue haze in the shop.
The reason it was important to kind of put this whole new ventilation system together is in the previous plant, guys were always used to opening all the windows and doors, and the ventilation was handled that way.
Nothing like what we have here. This is a state-of-the-art facility. The guys have air moving all the time. It's just beautiful. We're looking for a ventilation system to protect the welders. Safety is our #1 concern at Sellick. We don't want any guys going home ill from a welding process.
We wanted to go with a Vortex type system, so we went with the Vortex units. We've got 5 of them distributed throughout the area. It creates such a turbine force of the winds that causes it a vortex. We cleanse the air as we're producing the smoke. The other thing that we purchased is the Pro Cubes. The Pro Cubes is where smoke begins to develop. It takes care of it right directly at the source.
I feel the equipment's state-of-the-art. It's just no comparison. We have a steady flow of air throughout the room. The guys no longer need to use any extra ventilation to cool themselves because the RoboVent supplies that airflow to also keep them comfortable.
And that's where RoboVent came to the table. They don't just come in here and just sell you a bunch of equipment. We actually do some studying and what they call vent mapping. We laid out the area as the size that we have and then decided exactly what units needed to be placed where, so we knew how much equipment we need to clean that air. When we put that all together and laid it out there and let the vent mapping do the simulation, we knew exactly what equipment appeared to be best for us. Now, after installing that equipment, what the vent mapping showed was exactly right. During the installation and coming in and getting all set up, it was no interruptions to what we were doing inside the plant here. They had them up, done, working. In 2 days, we walked out and everything was ready to go.
My experience has been nothing but positive. We looked at the market and what was available out there, and we were just impressed with the overall company and the professionalism with everyone we dealt with.
Would I recommend RoboVent? Yes, I would. What it's done is lived up more to the promise of what they said it would do. It by far exceeded everyone's expectations.